is officially Sunday, and it is gonna hammer down rain on us, but we're going for Lake Sebu because it's all about the adventure, and I really want to ride the zip line. And a little rain never hurt anybody. Nice haiku bows. Let's get some gas, man. It's literally already hammering down. We gotta make it to Lake Sebu. The weather. I think there's a cafe just here. I think there's a cafe. Galen Festival, all the people here in Koronadal City, Marbel, which it used to be called. You guys are freaking amazing. Kyle and I had an awesome time. We're on our way to Lake Sebu. It's obviously raining, and we have a long journey ahead, of course. Don't know where I'm going with this. It's just raining. I got my poncho on. Things could be worse. Let's get this day going. Get out of the rain. Okay, get out of the rain. Oh, gotta run. We're back at Lantau Marbel. Oh. Oh. Failing at everything right now. Failing mission. Oh. I'm so happy we pulled in here. Well, that is an interesting opening to an adventure day, which is turning into a rainy day. We're here at Lantau Marbel. We're gonna eat some food, order some tinola manok and some mixed vegetables, a little bit of kinilaw. It's quite cool though, seeing the mist and rain pass through here. This is the overlooking restaurant here, Koronadal City. We'll see you when we get the food. Grabe. Basta. Well, no better way to beat a rainy day than tinola manok, kinilaw, vegetables, mainly tinola manok. That's the rainy day savon. Right?
Yeah, man.
Let's eat, and then I think it's gonna clear. Okay, after a few hours and just a day of rain so far, I think we can do this. We're going for Lake Sebu. Might take an hour, hour and a half. It's all about fun. We just want to go have some fun today. Mission, find a zip line. Local style. You gotta do what you gotta do. Load up the bike and go. That's exactly what we're doing. On our bikes again. Ah, feels good. A few more days of adventure. South Cotabato, let's do this.
passing through Sarala, and if you look there on my left, it's a long line of vehicles moving very slowly with their hazard lights. They're going for a burial. Sometimes you come across that in the Philippines while you're out and about. That means that somebody has passed away and they're now going to bury them. This is Sarala. That is cool. Alright, there it is. This is the turnoff to Lake Sebu. We're in Sarala. We just passed through the main area of the municipality, and you would have seen a monument called the Tri-People Monument. Here in South Cotabato, a lot of people take pride in unity, and that's unity between Christians, Muslims, and Lumad. So just a little interesting spot along the way there as you pass through the city. But let's go to Lake Sebu. This is the turnoff, and I'm excited. First time. Kaya na. Ayos, caballo. We're about 12 kilometers from Lake Sebu. Here we come. Welcome to Lake Sebu. Okay, 7 full zip line. That is why we came here. Today is just all about fun. This area actually has a lot of tradition, a lot of culture, and a lot of, beauty to the people. Hey, what's up? Just like that, friendly. But today we're just coming for the zip line and to see it, and just a very short trip. In the future, I'm going to spend a lot of time here and immerse a lot, and get to know the area more. But it's already a bit colder. We've climbed up quite a bit. Whew, I'm excited. This is incredible. Within minutes coming up off that major road from Sarala. So beautiful, the vegetation, the clouds, the temperature, This is such a nice area. You can see two lakes there on the drone. One is Lake Sebu, the other I don't know the name yet. I'll have to find out. But we're powering on. Let's go find the zip line. You can see why people love coming here already. It's just awesome. Nature. Hello, mein hapon. Mein hapon. So cute. She had a little white carabao. Wow, this environment is amazing. Wow, it seems Mana dia? Bisaya no? Bisaya. Pero do you also
Saya Ilonggo.
Ah, Ilonggo? How about Tibuli? Wala?
Ito, Tibuli.
Ah, Tibuli? Ah, cool man. A steak. Ano mo pangalan ba? Eka. Yeah, see, we made it here, but turns out it's closed because it was raining. So we're just making tambay with the locals. Oh, kabalong Bisaya. Basta. Oh, they got ginanggang, man. Okay, there may not be a zip line, but we got unggoy and we got ginanggang, and that's all that matters. Angry monkey. Angry monkey. Okay, you know what? I don't even care about the zipline anymore because this is my first ginanggang with an unggoy. I didn't actually mean to tease him there. I feel, man, I'm scared of these monkeys though. So crazy. I finally met my ancestors here in the Philippines. Dude, that is a big papa. In case you're wondering, this ginanggang is 15 pesos and it's good. This is like super jumbo ginanggang.
Super jumbo monkey, man.
Alright, that has just made my day. Just seeing monkeys roaming around. I'm happy they're not on chains. I absolutely despise seeing monkeys on chains. So it's nice that they're just running around free to do what they want. Giant ginanggang. Gonna go check out the lake a bit because there's no zip line. And I'm not gonna walk down the 774 steps to a waterfall because I want to come back and see it again when I do the zip line. So, Pohan. Monkeys, man.
Lake Sebu. Go up the hill, go to the zip line that's closed, and you'll see monkeys.
What Brett said. It's so dark because you just drove into this bamboo forest. I want to stay up here somewhere tonight. This is amazing. Unbelievable.
Beautiful.
Yeah, oh, this is awesome, man.
Yeah. Hot soup on a cold day in the mountains.
We're literally chilling by the lake, having asparagus soup, some salads with eggplants and pepino, which is cucumber. and it's just so peaceful here. Maybe we didn't get the adrenaline rush during the zip line, but this is so nice. Like, there's a little bit of rain blowing in, but it's just so beautiful watching the clouds move and seeing the locals paddling their boats along the lake. So I can see why people fall in love with this place. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna head back towards the highway. I'm gonna come back here for a big trip in the future and really get to know the area and the people, but for now, just chilling and very, very happy. It's overwhelming, man. I don't want to cry. Stop talking. Look at the view. Oh, emotional a bit. It's just, something about this place is amazing. Well, I will come again, but not when it's raining a whole bunch. Thank you, come again, Lake Sebu. Whew. Now we gotta find somewhere to stay. Maybe, I don't know where, Sarala or Isulan or somewhere. I'm soaked. Whew.